do you think of this place, man?
It's cool.
Huh? What do you have to say for yourself, huh? You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. So you're gonna be riding this ones, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Really? No, we're gonna way. Yeah. Yeah, coupon. Yeah, coupon card. For next trip. For next trip or next trip. Oh, that's dope, isn't it? I got an entry. Hey, we've got to be the we'll be the first people. What do you think about the experience, man?
Good experience.
Good experience, right?
Early morning coming.
Huh?
Early morning coming. You know?
Right side? Yalla. Huh? Yeah, there's fishes. But how are fishes living here? Huh? Okay. Huh? Yeah. No, before I was like, yeah, exactly. That's new to me. Okay, let's go this side. Oh my gosh, the water's still hot, man. I thought I'm gonna die. Let's get some.
Choosing it there.
Yep, correct. For you? For me?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. It's like wearing those life jackets on the vessel. Yeah, exactly. Put it here. Two single. Go, stand here. Stand here. Yeah. That's a good thumbnail. Yeah. Okay. We're the first. Yeah. We should go. We should be the one running first. Nice. Look at the view around here, man. Huh? Yeah, this double kayak.
No.
Which one? Oh yeah, single. Yeah, you're right. No, but most likely. Of course. Oh, they have it. I wish they provide jet ski. It would be so very fun just ride jet ski here.
Single guy.
Isan yellow, Isan red. Huh? Any color. It's just gonna be sitting only. Look at how you saw this. Oh my god. Alright. Hey guys, today we'll be relaxing. As you can see, we got Ashwin and his kayaking. He's just kayaking like a normal man. Okay, let's go for it. And you can see we're sitting here in my kayak, planning to go farther.
Yeah.
Okay?
I did U-turn. I passed it.
He did a 3-point turn, huh? Like that's supposed to be an achievement, huh? Okay, let's go there. It's very hot. It's good. I'm moving at 360 motion. Because 360 motion is a nice motion. Let's take a true 360. I know my ship wants to take a 360 all the damn time, but I guess it seems to be that way. People there. We're somewhere here. We're a bit far. Country going back. We still have to go from there. We're planning to hit that edge there. It's good, relaxing. But yeah, overall very nice. Get my glasses here. Pretty hot. The weather's not even fun. I'll probably become black when I'm back, but not my most ideal situation. But you get the point. But yeah, it's cool kayak. Try to find where the heck Ashwin is right now. That's behind me, so you know the case of that. Alright, I'll update you guys in a bit. Alright. Hey lads, look what he's doing now. He's here.
Fucking tired.
Oh my, we still have to go back there. We still have a lot of way to go. After we finish on the back, then we can go front. For now, huh? Yeah, let's go there. We have to go there. So let's finish the journey and start pumping. Fuck's sake, let's go. Let's roll this. Let's go. We have no time to waste. Every cardio session is a cardio session. I think this is a cardio session. Yep, it's on. Let's go. It's recording. Yep. Oh my god. Oh, it's fucking hot.
Here we go. He's fucking there.
Hey, what's up, cuz? Climbing from the 7th feet straight,
And
cuz.
more to go. See?
There's more to go.
It's too much hot there.
Yeah. Well, then let's keep going. Let's go. Now that you have the camera now, we have no time to relax because I am
So
getting
the guy is
so-
going back.
The sun's killing my face right now.
Okay.
Let's keep going there. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to hit you.
No, it's fine.
No. Okay.
Can you attach to that?
Hmm?
Also attach to the boat.
You want to attach to the boat?
Attach to the boat.
See, it's nice. Oh my god. Too much sun. Yeah, finally we reach here. The other end.
What's up?
Oh my
So
god.
hot.
So hot, no?
Yeah.
So hot.
Even tiring. It's so hot. I just want to have
I
some.
think no one has came here. See?
No, nobody.
Look.
Yeah.
Only we two.
We're top G's. I told you we're top G's.
Oh my god.
Exactly. You should bring your sunglasses with her.
Yeah, I should
Yeah.
bring, man. Definitely. Oh.
It's noisy. I like peace. Just relax.
Yeah, the boats make noise, you know.
Yeah.
Water is so cold. See,
Huh?
see the water?
Oh my gosh, it'd be perfect for swim, you know?
Yeah, perfect for swimming.
Yeah.
But it will be too much deep here.
Yeah, of course. But deep, no
Right.
issue. I don't have. You have an issue with deep? I can swim deep. Maybe I know. I don't think I can swim. Long time I didn't swim.
These people will think that we are crazy.
Huh?
Obviously, because see, no one was came here.
Nobody will come here far here. Yeah.
Okay, we'll go back.
And I think it-
Yeah,
people
hey, come
doing this.
come closer, na.
I'm coming. Let's put the 360.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Oh, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Monday night, don't watch movies if ain't anime, don't watch porn for hentai, daisuki, ashiteru, I love anime, over genre, shonen, shoujo, slice of life, I don't read books, if ain't manga, man of culture, have a wife when she's 3D, her name is Xiaoyu, wallpaper of my iPhone, MacBook Air, rooms to walls,